We are going to Paris. Yes. We are on the way. Going with the French train is not recommended. Really not. Hey guys, first stop Strasbourg. Regardez Strasbourg.
T'as une pharmacie à 150 mètres d'ici.
No train in France. Train station in Strasbourg. Pretty nice. But still don't use trains in France. Where we are? It will be funny.
Colmar.
Colmar.
Colmar, Nancy. Spa.
Paris arrived. Train station in Paris. Very nice. A lot of people, as usual here. It's good. And there they are. Metro in Paris. How you like it, the metro in Paris?
Yes.
Look how happy they are when they are in Paris. Just this. Just there, with all the suitcases. So this is our Airbnb. Look how nice that is. Ah, that's the washroom. Cool. Ah, that's one room here. Cool. That's the second room here.
That's the second room. Yes.
Second room, very nice, man.
The first là-bas.
With toilet. Wow. So here in Paris is everything small but joli, how they say the French. That means nice.
Ça c'est quoi?
So which room are we taking?
Toi c'est WC.
Which room do you take?
Il y a les toilettes là.
Oh, wow.
Comme
Look
vous
at
voulez,
this
mais
bathtub.
ich muss einfach duschen.
So guys, look how nice she prepared everything here. Banana, pineapple, kiwi, and Madeleine here. Hey, just amazing. Look at that view here. Nice chandelier. Look at the view. Very cool. Let's go up. Wow. It's cool. Very nice. Do you have your clothes on, Amy? No. Good. Very cool. Smallest lavabo in Paris. Incredible. That looks good. Looks good, huh?
Ah même les films les lavabos.
Paris on Friday. Still in the main station, we are going visiting some friends now, going out for dinner. Yeah. Ah, by the way, this is the TGV what is going to London. Look, Imed is doing that one in the middle of Paris. Ah, cool. Let's go. Go.
Et s'il faut plus, il reste en palais.
Eating.
C'est vrai que c'est lui qui l'a choisi.
Elle me demandait, mais.
I don't know where we are, but looks good.
Imed. Très bon. T'as vu? Bah, franchement.
So, day 1. Yeah. The day one in Paris. We are ready to go out. The camera open the doors here. Monsieur, ça va?
Merci beaucoup, monsieur.
Yeah, oui. Look how nice that is. Oh, we are living somewhere, I don't know. It's very nice, typical French. Typical French brasserie. Having now breakfast.
Janan, c'est ici?
So, Amy and
Janan.
Janan are trying to give us a guide here in Paris.
Janan, c'est ici?
I mean, Leon's, he's from Paris here.
Yes.
And
the real.
these
It's
two,
me.
these two
A tourist.
tourists.
Yes.
Look how nice that is here. Where we are here, ladies? Mare. So, where we are here?
Alors, the name of this quartier is Marais.
Mare,
C'est
the
le,
quartier
c'est
Mare.
le quartier, pour ceux qui comprennent français, c'est le quartier un des quartiers les plus branchés de Paris et très atypique quoi. Très très branché. The place to be.
It's place to be here.
In Paris. Marais.
Mare. Very, very nice. Look at these restaurants. Les Voltigues with teddy bears there. Look. So nice. Typical from Paris here. This design here. These two shopping queens here. There's another one. I don't know, the artist is doing everywhere in the world, on the wall. So we are here in Rue de
Rivoli.
Rivoli.
Louvre.
Louvre. Ah, yeah. There in the front is Louvre. Yeah.
Louvre, Champs-Élysées.
Champs-Élysées, everything is there.
Exact.
Yeah, that way. So guys, look at this. So they tell me that's the nicest building in Paris here, Opera. Académie Nationale de Musique.
Daniele, very important. Come here. Come here. Place Vendôme. Is the more les bijoux, pour les bijoux, les bagues. Place Vendôme.
Okay, Place Vendôme, okay.
Vendôme, Place Vendôme.
Vendôme.
It's why Diana, Princess Diana Hotel
Ah,
is here.
okay, okay.
And after she go with the
With the car,
with the
okay,
car,
got it.
she go from here.
Good.
The
Thank you
hotel.
so much, Leons. Look how nice that is here. Amazing. Place de Opera. It's amazing. Look how nice that is. How beautiful that is here. Incredible.
Puoi ieri?
Une chemise ou un
Vedi
truc
après.
comme ça. Ah, ma carte, tutte le camicie belle. Schijnham.
The Opera behind here. Look how nice that is. So today I have two tour guys, Imet and Leon. Wow, so nice here. Where we are here?
He's very famous. It's a comedian, French comedian.
A French comedian there. What's the name?
I don't remember.
You don't remember,
I don't
but it's famous. Okay, that's good. Wow.
Il est pas là sur le côté, c'est un comique. T'as pas vu la tête?
J'ai pas fait gaffe. En fait, c'est ici, c'est le théâtre Édouard VII.
Ah, ok.
Tu vois. Et il doit être à l'affiche là.
Attends. Wait. It's on the right.
Cool.
C'est le mec là.
Yes. Daniele waiting for new. We make a new man. On va faire un nouvel homme quoi, spécialement ce soir. Et habillé par immaculé.
So we did some shopping. Men's shopping. He was our guide. He met. Yeah.
Après il donnera il met l'adresse YouTube.
So what's this? This is
Panthéon.
Pompeo.
Panthéon, yes.
Panthéon.
Napoleon, everybody who's dead is inside.
Yeah. So Napoleon, everybody who is dead. So he met not, Leon's not,
Inshallah.
Daniele not. All famous guys. Look guys, Paris by night. Paris. That is Champs-Élysées there. Lacoste store. Disney. Champs-Élysées. There. Dior.
Là maintenant on peut.
Champs-Élysées.
Ah oui.
Là-bas c'était trop loin.
Het moet niet aan de lucht.
Waarom hier klein?
Champs-Élysées again, very close now. Amy's doing pictures. Amazing. Christian Dior building here. It's very, very nice. Looks amazing.
Same number as the prophet. She want a nigga who gon' like her, got a lot of options. How she falling in love, I ain't even popular. Bruh, I'm paying bitches for the big body. I'm a cold ass nigga.
Champs-Élysées. Leon's taking pictures. Look how nice. That is. I don't know if you see it, it's very dark. La Tour Eiffel. Yeah. It's very late in the night. Yeah. No lights, but La Tour Eiffel.
Salam alaikum, ça va?
La Tour Eiffel.
Hein? Poutine chasse, c'est quoi?
Ah oui. They save power here.
C'est sur YouTube.
La Tour Eiffel. There. Yeah. No lights. Economy. 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 La Tour Eiffel. Au revoir Paris. Ciao ciao.